How would you react if your neighbor did this to your front door?
What's up? Hey, Ashley, were you over here weeping? Were you over here messing with it?
No.
Are you sure?
Hello.
You weren't knocking on the door or nothing like that?
Can I come in?
Yes.
What was going on?
Okay.
I don't know. I came home from
Do you mind if I
shopping
sit here and talk to you?
and she was jerking on my doorknob trying to get in. As I come down the hall, she started yelling and screaming at me. And she said, "Yeah, it was me, carved up your door."
Did you happen to get this on video or anything?
No, I didn't.
Okay.
There is a camera down at the end of the hall, but I don't know if it actually caught her doing this.
You said
This has been an ongoing thing. I have a protective order. We're supposed to go for a hearing on the 20th.
So who was knocking on her door? Outside of her door.
So
okay.
I don't.
But was she saying any making threats to you or anything?
Yes, she's been making.
What was she saying?
She calls me names. She says she's going to cut me up.
What did she say the day?
Today she says she's been calling me her, and she threatened to throw my blood all over her.
What was that?
She threatened to throw my blood all over her.
Okay, pause right there. Did you catch that tonal whiplash? We go from allegations of, she's gonna cut me up, and throw my blood everywhere, to a completely random compliment about teeth. That kind of emotional flip is significant. In high-conflict neighbor disputes, these strange conversational pivots can indicate volatility, or sometimes attempts to deflect tension. Legally speaking, though, what matters most isn't the weirdness, it's the threats. If those statements were truly made, especially in the context of an existing protective order, they could elevate this from harassment to menacing. But here's the problem. No direct recording of today's incident, so the question becomes, does the history between them strengthen the credibility of the complaint? What would convince you?
You got some pretty teeth.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is for a protection order.
For what?
A protection order.
A protection order for what?
So when the sheriffs came out here, did they give you any paperwork?
No.
Oh, okay.
No, they didn't. This is Ravenna.
That's what?
I don't know. So when do I go?
There's not a date on here. They were here 2 days ago, but they didn't get in contact with you. It sounds like.
Yeah, they left it on my door.
Just this hanging on there?
Yeah.
Okay. Here, I'm gonna shut this for a second, okay, so they can talk out there.
So am I going to jail?
Well, we're trying to figure out what's going on here.
You said that she admitted that she did this to your door. Did she tell you what she did it with?
No.
But no, I'm
Hey,
good.
Dandelion.
You just want me to shut my door?
No, what would be ideal, actually, is if you didn't live here anymore, because I've talked to you myself several times and told you to quit harassing everybody, and you don't stop harassing everybody, ever.
Okay.
Now this is where things get legally serious. A protection order isn't just a suggestion, it's a court directive. If Ashley has been served, she legally cannot contact, harass, threaten, or even approach the neighbor depending on the order's terms. And listen to that list of alleged behavior. Flattened tires, keyed car twice, substances thrown on the door, threats in the hallway. Even without camera footage of the door damage, a documented pattern can help establish probable cause. But here's the key detail. The officer says they're checking whether she's actually been served yet. Because if she hasn't, technically, she can't violate an order she hasn't received. See how procedural details can completely shift a case. Timing matters.
It just continues and continues and continues.
So, do you want me to call my mom?
No, you don't need to call your mom.
So I'm going to jail.
No, I don't know that yet. I'm gonna call and see if you have any warrants, see if you've been served with a protection order, anything like that, which I'm guessing that's what this is.
So I'm trying to see if we have enough probable cause for charges and whatever. Because like right now, we have no physical evidence, okay?
I don't know how much more physical evidence. She's ruined my door.
I know, but like we don't have camera footage or anything like that. Okay.
Of her actually doing it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's the hard part. I'm gonna see what we can do. Let's try to get her story, see if she openly admits to it, or because on the violation of the protection order, it says like she can't harass or whatever. Okay.
Yeah. She's flattened one of my tires. She's keyed my car twice. She's thrown shit all over my door that I had no idea what it was. Twice. I cleaned it up the first time thinking it was urine. She's pissed on the floor out there.
Oh my. Okay, we'll just hang.
I don't know what else I'm supposed
Do you have a car or anything?
Yeah.
Okay, so if we do go the route with charges, are you able to come down to the station and sign?
I will.
Okay. Okay.
Just make her leave me alone.
Okay, just hang tight for me.
Yeah, I don't have no warrant. My arrest.
And then she also has bench warrant, and that case number is 24
Not you. This isn't you.
Yeah, I was about to say, I don't have no bench warrants.
Hey, Ashley.
I'm going to jail.
Did I say that?
I don't know.
At least she's serving it.
No,
The sheriff's left this on her door,
Okay.
and she said so that's what I'm saying right now. I don't think she can serve it.
So when do I have to get out
What?
of here?
We can't make you leave. Like I said, I prefer that you would move out of here. That would be fantastic, so we can stop having to deal with you. But we can't make you leave. So, but we'll find out with protection order how that's going to go and what happened today and stuff like that. So, okay.
Okay.
But give us a second. Do you want to step out here and talk real quick? We'll be right back. Keep the door locked. I'm going to come back in and talk to you. Okay. Thanks, Ashley. Ashley, you able to come out here?
Get arrested.
We don't know yet. We're still trying to find out. But I have a question. Why did you do that?
I didn't scrape her door.
I didn't even say that. I didn't say that at all. What happened to her door then?
I don't know.
Well, why do you keep going and knocking on her door? And because the other day I had video of it the other day. The other day when you were knocking on her door, it's like 3 in the morning. You're telling her you're gonna.
Oh, I was trying to give her a phone.
No, you said you were gonna drag her down the hallway by her hair, and you were gonna kill her dog, and yeah, I saw the video of it. You definitely said that the other day.
But anyway, I'm trying to get out of here.
This is a turning point. The officer mentions video from another night, 3 a.m., outside the neighbor's door, allegedly threatening to drag her down the hallway and kill her dog. That's not minor conflict. That's textbook menacing behavior if proven. And notice how the officer calmly confronts her with it. No yelling. No teatrix. Just, I saw the video. That's powerful. Because now this isn't just he said she said. There's documented prior conduct. Even if today's door damage can't be directly proven, prior threatening behavior can absolutely support a menacing charge. So here's the big question. Do you think today's arrest is more about the door or the pattern?
Well, we have to figure out what's going on here first before we get out of here. I'm waiting to see if you did in fact get the protection order and to see if you have any warrants, okay? I'm just waiting for them to come back for that.
What's the protection order?
It is going to be your neighbor here,
So this is for her?
Miss Forrest. No, that's for you. You're going to be served a protection order. You're not allowed to be around her. You're not allowed to call her, stalk her, talk her, menace her, or anything like that. I'm not allowed to do anything with her, okay?
Don't even look at it.
Yep.
Okay.
And I don't even know how this living situation goes when you guys live across the hall from each other. Do you know how that works?
You said
Sorry,
business,
my house is a mess.
But you can't be one that's the apartment complex's doors.
Okay.
You can't be scratching that on the door, okay?
Okay.
What did you were angry at the time and used a knife or what?
No, I didn't use no knife.
Oh, what'd you use?
Nothing. Hello?
Your nail?
Stop calling me. I'm gonna get your shit. It's raining down here, and I'm not driving no.
He's yelling.
He's upset.
he's angry.
Mm.
Go ahead.
What are you
you been up to?
What?
What you been up to?
What have I been up to?
Yeah.
Nothing.
Causing problems around here?
Trying to get out of here. I don't have no warrants.
Oh.
Go ahead.
Okay. Copy. This is it. All right. Come over here real quick. Drop your keys. You done?
And there it is, the warrant drops. Not for the door damage first, but for menacing tied to that earlier video. That tells us something critical. Law enforcement likely felt the prior incident met the legal threshold for criminal charges. Menacing typically involves knowingly causing someone to believe you'll cause them serious physical harm. Those 3 a.m. threats? That fits. The door damage may result in a criminal damaging charge, but the arrest hinges on the stronger, documented case. This is strategic policing, arrest on what you can clearly prove. And now Ashley's reality shifts instantly. From hallway argument to handcuffs in the rain.
So this warrant is for the menacing. The other night when I said I have you on video where you're outside her door trying to go into her apartment and all that, okay? And then she's going to have a protection order against you, which we're going to get that confirmed because I don't think you've been served yet because you got your door hanger, so I don't think you've been served with that yet.
You don't have anything in your body.
Do you have some shoes you could slip on or anything, Ashley?
Yeah.
Because it's wet out there.
Where's your shoes at? Just one on the sides.
That's the best. Is your apartment key on here?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll lock it up. I'm still on leave. Ashley, you really need to leave these neighbors alone because we get calls from every single person here down on that end. The neighbors down below you that you go down there and start messing with them. You know, everybody here wants you out of this building because of the way that you act.
Listen carefully to what the officer says here. We get calls from every single person here. That's not just neighbor drama. That suggests a broader pattern of disturbance. When multiple residents are contacting police about one individual, it strengthens the narrative of ongoing behavioral issues. It doesn't automatically make someone guilty, but it adds context. And notice something else, the officer even asks about a caseworker. That's subtle but important. Sometimes underlying issues like mental health challenges or lack of support systems play into repeated police interactions. It doesn't excuse behavior, but it explains why these cycles continue. At this point, the situation feels less like one incident and more like a building-wide breaking point.
They shouldn't have to live like that. Oh, I think that's where it was. What?
Whoa!
Come on, sir.
How are you?
How you doing? Y'all got all the police cars out there?
Yeah, we have to make sure you're safe in here. How old are you?
I'm 36.
You said I've asked you before, but Cedric's your payee, right?
Yes.
You don't have a caseworker or nothing like that, though?
No.
I don't.
First floor. Welcome, Jenna.
Charlie.
Right.
What do you need? I mean, it's just a arrest ticket. Are you going to do you want me to do the arrest ticket or?
I can do it.
Well, do you want me to do a 12 for, I'll do a 12 for criminal damaging?
I can do it.
What's your name? What's your name?
Dear?
I said, what's your name?
I am Officer Richmond. Then, are you still here?
Yes.
Okay, do you have a cell phone, don't you?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna send you a link to evidence.com and just take pictures of the door and upload them, okay? Miss Ashley, did you speak to your neighbor today at all?
No.
And you didn't damage her door?
42.
Mm-mm.
No. Hello. She's on the other side. Far already sent the care over. Yep, she's just going for menacing. Her warrant.
You want to go over here and I'm going to switch these out. Let's go under the underhand so we don't get rained on. This is cool.
Yeah.
Ashley, just try to stay away from your neighbors, alright?
Okay.
And stop messing with them.
We'll get the bottom set off. Besides your keys, do you have any other property, young lady?
No.
Just her keys.
Watch your step and we'll have a seat in here, okay? Thank you. I'm gonna reach over again and put the seatbelt on.
So here's where everything lands. Ashley is arrested and charged with menacing, tied to prior recorded threats, and potentially criminal damaging related to the vandalized door. The protective order adds another layer of legal consequence, especially if it's confirmed she was properly served. This case highlights how repeated neighbor disputes can escalate into criminal charges when threats cross the line from verbal conflict to credible fear. It also shows how crucial evidence, even from a separate day, can become the foundation for an arrest. Now we turn it to you. If she's convicted, what do you think is fair? Probation? Jail time? Mandatory counseling? Drop your opinion in the comments. And if you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts below, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.